The Sealey MCW360 Portable Motorcycle Workbench. The Sealey MCW360 is a lightweight folding workbench with built-in wheels, making it totally portable for use in any location. Its strong steel frame and slip-resistant aluminium chequerplate surfaces are capable of supporting bikes weighing up to 360 kilograms. And with a working height of 460 millimeters, it's ideal for servicing and maintenance. Additionally, once erected, the loading ramp doubles as a convenient workshop stool. Just remove the 2 pins, unfold the legs, and it's ready to use. Its folding design allows for easy storage when workshop space is limited. The Sealey MCW360 Portable Motorcycle Workbench. Ideal for professional workshops, mobile mechanics, enthusiasts and track days.